Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Adil and today is all about securing an Audi Q8 that we've got behind us. Today is mostly focusing on the GHOST Immobiliser. Not only am I going to run you through my top things that I recommend for vehicle security in today's video, but also I'm going to be doing an in-depth dive showing you exactly how the system works. So join me, let's go. Firstly, let me show you how the GHOST system works on an Audi Q8. Then I'll go through my top tips in terms of securing a vehicle. And these are things I use myself on my vehicles. Obviously, as a security-based company, we get inquiries all the time. And just like the owner of this vehicle, his previous car was stolen. And this wasn't even from his driveway, it was on the road. So a little bit further away. And I'm sure you've seen it, and probably the reason why you're looking at securing your vehicle and watching today's video. But really easy to use, guys. So basically, you get in the car, you've got the factory key here. So even with the factory key, I'm basically getting in the car and I'm going to show you an operation first. So I'm going to press the start button, vehicle starts, no problems, nothing, no faults, no nothing. And then as soon as I go to drive the vehicle, engine dies and then you start getting faults. So I'm just going to reset the system quickly. Basically, that's exactly how it works. If the vehicle even has the factory key or your key is cloned, you're not going to be able to drive the vehicle without entering a unique pin sequence. That pin sequence is basically fully customizable. Every car is slightly different depending on which buttons work. We go through all of that over handover. In terms of the way the system works, so you turn ignition on when you get in the car, and then we're going to enter a unique code. So I'm using 4 button presses of a specific button. I get 2 flashes on my indicator to say I've got the password correct. I can then start the vehicle and then I can go into drive and no issues, and all the faults are all gone. So again, that is literally as easy as it is, but it's an extra peace of mind, that added layer of security of that unique pin code that's only in your head that allows this vehicle to then start. So that is really, really cool how that works. In terms of something that you might be thinking about, well, obviously someone else needs to drive the vehicle when I drop it off to have my tires done, when I drop it off to have a sound system done, whatever you're doing, MOT servicing, whatever you might be doing, someone needs to drive that vehicle. There is a kind of hidden mode as such, it's called service mode. And what that means is basically you can enter a unique pin sequence again that is kind of set for a vehicle. That will then allow the vehicle to go into service mode. It means that you can hand the keys over to the Audi dealership, for example. They can get in the car, they can jump in, they don't need to know GHOST is on the car, and everything is still secure. So when you get back in the vehicle, you just enter your code as normal, and then that is it, back to needing GHOST every time. Again, this is all gone through on handover, where we go through everything with you in quite a bit of detail when we hand over a car. We don't just chuck you the keys like many companies. I sit down, I go through everything with you so you know exactly how to use this system. All in all, that's pretty much how GHOST works. Really simple and easy to use, guys. So there's a couple of other things that I normally partner alongside GHOST to really secure an asset, and these are things all I use myself. So firstly is GHOST, we've been through. Then is something called a Thatcham S5 tracker. So that is a tracking system that basically normally requires a fob to be onto your keys. And what that means is the fact that if the vehicle is started or moved or taken away on a low loader, for example, you'll get a notification because you've got movement of vehicle without a fob. So that is a really common thing that I normally partner alongside. Then also I always recommend a front and rear dash cam with a battery recording when the vehicle is parked. In essence, working a bit like CCTV. So they're the 3 things that we install and kind of my general recommendation for security. And there's a couple of other things that we look to do in terms of securing a vehicle. The next thing would actually be a steering wheel lock. And I know what you're going to say, I'm not a massive fan of ugly steering wheel locks, but I've just recently found a new steering wheel lock, and that is actually available on our website right now. So make sure you go check it out. It's actually a baseball bat design. It looks absolutely wicked, and you can actually have them color matched as well to your vehicle, which is really quite cool as well. So yeah, that's steering wheel lock. Then there's another thing which I always recommend, which is a Faraday Box, again available on our website. Key Protect Pro, really nice box. You can put the keys in the box, and we've also got a discount code to use on there. The next thing in after that is basically using a system which is from Bollard Security. So they operate nationwide. We've partnered up with them as well to help secure your vehicle. So if you're after Bollards, make sure again you can head over to our website. The details are there, but you get a discount code for Bollard Security to get some security done on your property. Also obviously recommend CCTV at home as well. But if you're doing all of those things, that is basically as far as I normally recommend everyone goes. If everyone is able to do that on their car, they would have a far more secure way of actually just keeping their car in their possession. We hate hearing that people have had their cars stolen, and it's horrible, because we all work hard for what we drive, and it's horrible that it can just be taken off your drive within a couple of minutes. So hopefully today's video you've learned a little bit more about how Ghost works in this specific product on this car. You've also learned a little bit more about some of the other recommendations that I would go through in terms of securing a vehicle. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video, and if you're interested in having this system installed, make sure you get in touch with us and we'll go through everything in a bit more detail with you. But thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.